Hello, greetings from the Camelites of the Department of Chemical Engineering, HPTU, Kanpur. It is well known that India is an agriculture major country. We use about 30 million metric tons of fertilizer in our fields to meet the increasing demand of grains. To produce these huge amount of fertilizer, our fertilizer industries emit 25 million tons of carbon dioxide. This has not only polluted our atmosphere and soil, but it also put various chemicals in our food and thus in our body. As a solution to this huge problem, we propose a nature-friendly, sustainable, and harmful chemical-free findings. Our idea is inspired from the place called Terra Firma in the Amazonian basin. The speciality of this place is its dark and very fertile soil. Its soil is dark and fertile due to its high carbon content. We propose to use a carbon dots 10 nanometer particle composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen and derived from various carbonaceous precursors, mainly from our household waste. In addition, with the PanchaGavya derived from cow dung, cow urine, cow ghee, cow milk, and cow curd as an effective fertilizer in our Indian soil to increase its fertility and lessen the use of chemical fertilizer. We will prepare Panchagavya from 5 cow derivatives as mentioned above by mixing all the derivatives in a definite proportion. As a for carbon dots, we can take any precursors that are rich in carbon content as a raw material and mix them in a water. For simplicity, we are proposing to use a household wastage that are rich in carbon as a raw material for carbon dots. After making a proper solution of carbonaceous precursors and water, this solution is heated for a certain time period at a certain temperature. Time period and temperature will depend on the precursor used. Any time period will be sufficient during which our carbonaceous precursor decomposes and breaks into small carbon dots. For example, after heating the citrus peels for 2 to 4 hours at 150 to 150 degrees Celsius, we obtain carbon dots. This solution will contain aqueous carbon dots of different sizes. To make the process easier, we do not centrifuge this solution. Instead, we propose to use this solution as it is. Next, we make a concentrated solution of PanchaGavya and carbon dots by adding them in a different proportions. Once this solution is prepared, dilute it by adding water and then use in a mist sprayer to spray over the crops. Our solution is feasible as a Panchagavya is very easy to prepare in a household. As for carbon dots, we can use household waste to convert into carbon dots. There is one problem with the preparation of carbon dots, and that is the energy extensive heating of solution. We propose to make use of solar energy by using solar cooker combined with electrical heating to lessen the energy load. We applied this solution to moon's leaves and as a result we got 10 to 20% increase in the leaves load. So overall our solution decreases the use of chemical fertilizer, thus reducing the chemical content in our food and thus in our body. Indirectly reduces the harmful carbon content in the atmosphere by recycling it in the form of carbon dots, makes farmer independent and removes a burden from a farmer's pocket.